I'm gonna try to fix this starter. It broke some time ago. I replaced it on my boat. Just the part number. It's for a 60 horse Johnson 2-stroke from 2005. And look, I was gonna maybe cut in half and see what's inside, but I realized it has these bolts on the top. So I have to take it apart now. These are 3/8. This thing's probably the original starter. Whew. Maybe I shouldn't take those out. Well, let's check them out. Long. Looks pretty shiny at the end though. Hope that wasn't like keeping something straight. Ooh, it smells interesting inside. It smells like an old boat. Oh. Still twist. Need a screwdriver. See if the whole thing comes out together. Oh, there it is. Oh! So there's the base. This must be the coil. So it's a typical motor. I did burn it up a little bit if I remember, so I might have permanently damaged it, but this looks real pretty. I bet if I gave it some grease, we could actually have repaired this instead of having to buy a new one. And then when this spins, this bit pops up here. There's a, see. So when this twists, this bit pops up, engages with the motor, starts it. Cool, let's see if we can't get her working. There are graphite leads down there. Those like need to be replaced too. All right, found a battery. Let's see if my grease helped at all. I hope this doesn't explode in my hands. That would be very sad. Ooh-wee! Whew. Look at that. These are meant to have a lot of power because they don't have to function for long, but if you let them run too long and they're old, they burn out. Good work.